Dalon pa ni mong box. Hala. Di kayo maigong.
Please no traffic. Please no traffic. 2
hours 17.
You okay right there, diha Jake? Make sure yung inyong aircon is pointing at you diha because it's hot. It's 27 degrees now.
Good afternoon. Time check guys. It's 3:20 in the afternoon and happy Friday.
Punta tayo sa Coquihalla Campground.
Yes. And ano guys, yung biyahe papunta doon 2 hours and 14 minutes. Ayan.
So itong campground na to guys, first time namin doon and we're very excited kasi we're always aiming na every year at least makakamping tayo no, kahit once ano. So unfortunately this year hindi kami nakapag-book dahil grabe nung nag-open yung reservation guys, napuno agad, and we're so grateful sa Dakulan family for nakahitch kami sa kanila. So truly a blessing for us. And
ngayon pa lang kami papunta guys kahit late na, it's 3 PM dahil work pa kasi ako, work pa din si Daddy. And hindi kami pwedeng mag-off dahil long weekend this Monday.
Yeah, so bilisan kami guys. Nag-off ako ng 1, si May nag-off ng 1:30.
Yeah.
And then uwi sa bahay. And then pack lahat kung ano may yung para walang maiwan. Because the last time nakakatawa guys, nag-camping kami. As in, very settled down na kami sa campground namin, and guess what? Naiwan yung burner namin, kaya wala kaming choice kundi bumalik.
9 o'clock may hindi pa siya madilim, so confident kami na kapag kahit late na kami na dumating doon, at least may araw pa, pwede pa kami mag-set up ng aming tent. So yeah, medyo traffic nga today dahil nga a lot of people are going out dahil nga long weekend, di ba? Yeah, sana lang hindi tayo ma-stuck ng traffic. It's been 4 weeks guys na nakarating kami from our vacation, and it still feels like kahapon lang kami dumating. And yung pagbalik namin walang masyadong ganap kasi back to work na kami. Ako, si Jemel. Good thing yung mga bata is may time pa sila na mag-adjust dahil sa jet lag, dahil summer break ngayon, and balik sila sa klase by September. So nasa bahay lang sila. Grabe ka traffic sa kilid. So nasa bahay lang sila and relax lang. So while ako, si Daddy tsaka si Aya back to work. Kain tayo guys. I have burger, pero siya, lettuce bun. Ito pa yung first kain ko for today kasi nga busy talaga guys. Burger siya pero lettuce yung bun niya. And then ayan, kids are also eating burger yung sa kanila, yung regular burger lang. Si Daddy kumain na din. Kain tayo guys, yummers. Wow, it's good. Medyo traffic pero siya, moving naman. We still have 1 hour and 7 minutes left. Dito pa kami sa highway guys. Time check 4:09. Ang init sa labas guys, 31 degrees. Grabe
Car flip.
Ang na lang guys, 48 minutes left. Makakarating na din tayo. May disgrasya dito guys. May ambulance dyan, Ala, yung sasakyan. Ala, gidiyo, lointan. Hope, wala rin nakuan, Ala. Na-traffic good sila, dahil sa yung banggaan. Dahil sa disgrasya. Sobrang traffic nila, Right hand, no? Lowered, Daddy.
Oh yeah. Tingnan mo yung white.
Cute kayo ilang mga sakyanan. Mga batanon ka drive.
Left hand yung isa, MR.
Mga bata, cute kayo ilang mga sakyanan guys. Look. Left hand yung isa, left hand drive, yung isa is right. Nitanaw pag yun siya na nag-video ko. finally guys, 3 more minutes. Dito na tayo. May mga restaurant malapit sa ating campsite guys. May Starbucks, Jugo Juice, may A&W, and may Tim Hortons pa dun sa kabila, and McDonald's. And then may ano din, yung Save on Foods na pwede kayong na mag-groceries. Dito na guys. Registration office and store. Tani. So dito na tayo guys. And then nasabi ba namin kung ilang days kami? 3 days, 2 nights. So ito yung map guys ng campground, and I think nasa number 40 kami. Yun yung sabi ni Dayan. Ayan, number 40. So medyo malapit tayo sa river. And malapit din tayo sa washroom. Oh, 'di ba? Washroom 'yan. Oh, may tubig din. Oh, wow. Bumili si Daddy ng token pang shower natin.
So, may $2 token for shower na 6 minutes. But, ano siya, may bayad dahil heated siya.
Oh, yeah.
So, may open shower din sila na walang bayad. But, yun lang.
Malamig.
Medyo malamig. Yeah, so.
That's good. Thank you, Daddy.
Oh,
are we with them?
Yeah.
Kasama natin yun sila?
Siya yung nag-book guys.
Sila
14 sites.
What? Ang dami.
14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and I think
so ito tayo 40, di ba?
Yeah, so ito dito lahat kinuha nila 14.
Pero number 40 lagi ta.
Tayo yung nasa 40.
Okay, good.
Kasi introvert daw eh.
Kami good na din na
Yeah.
Pang introvert na camping guys. Ano tayo, secluded. Yeah. Loy, kasama pala nito sila. Ayan sila guys, nag-camping na sila.
So ito yung mga tagdalawahan, no? Pwede 2 families. Oh no, asa naman ta?
Yung sure usa na dikit kaya ang camping, ay ang tent look.
Oh.
Asa mi? 40. 40? Di ay.
Atras?
Sige, andito na sila guys. Hi! Parking muna kami. Excited.
Waiting for ages.
Ganina, Ramon, sa oras na abot?
Mga alas 2.
Oh yeah.
Dara, ito.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Dai. Guys, we're here. Finally. Anong oras na? What time is it, guys? Naabot tayo ng guys, 6:12. Ayan. Set up muna kami.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you doing fine 'cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy, you can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready, you just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary, you just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy, you can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready, you don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it, you gotta go get it for yourself. Cause
Finally guys, ito na yung ating tent. Maglagay pa tayo ng higaan sa loob. Kailangan ko pang linisin. Teka lang. Ayan. Ganito yung loob niya guys. Wala pa tayo silhig. Hala, nakalimutan natin yung silhig. Kalimutan natin yung silhig guys. Ayan. Diba? I-close lang natin kasi may mga may mga lamok.
Salamat kayo, Elaine. Salamat kayo. Kita yata.
Kailangan mo isirado din dadi kay the lamok is waving. Hindi na to silhigan.
Chicken.
Wala silhig-silhig yan. Finally, na set up na ni Daddy yung sa loob natin, guys. May dalawa ng inflatable bed. Sabi ko pa naman kanina na hindi na lang ako kasi hindi ako makakatulog. Pero, iya pa jud gihapong gikuan for the kids. Kasi daw, masakit daw sa likod kapag walang ganito. So, ayan. Dalawang king size na inflatable bed yung masigo. Ayan, isa dun siguro yung mga bata. Tapos kami dito ni Daddy. Tapos may space pa dito na pwede mo malagyan yung mga gamit nyo. Ayan. Ito ang night light. Yadeha.
Antay tubig ha. Dinimit para inom.
Para unsa man na hugas-hugas?
Hugas ka or anything. Sa nagita.
Yun daw yung ano natin, guys, yung tubig pang hugas kamay. Nabi duol diri Daddy na dito ay. Yeah.
Pero mo lakaw ko
mausad. It's already 8:01 sa gabi and naka-set up na kami lahat-lahat. Now Daddy's gonna cook dinner para sa ano si Jacob kasi nagugutom na daw si Jacob, kalakad-lakad dito.
Asa to mga plate?
Ang mga plates natin is nandun sa aking ano sa front sa akong gilingkuran, nandun lahat. Jacob just want to eat spam and rice. So lulutuan ni Daddy, guys. Sige na, you put that one there sa ato ang kuan lang sa tent. Come here, let's put it there.
I still have more though.
No, I think you just need one.
Oh.
Yeah.
You need one.
You just need one and you hang it, be. Right? Usa ra man ni kabuok eto, guys, ba? Uy, kalayo. Uy. Pwede diri na lang. Ayan, guys. So, i-on mo lang to. Ganyan. O, diba? May suga na ta. Ka-cute. Ang cute niya, guys. Nakalambitin dito. Ito na yung ano natin. Yung kumot. Ito. Kay Diha, aming apat. Kay Diha, kay Jacob, akin, tsaka itong isa kay Daddy. Kain tayo, guys. Nagutom ako. May ano kami dito, bread. Ay, may suka. May bread. And tuna sandwich. Kain tayo, uy. Daddy, you want bread, Daddy? Ay, yung burger kanina, hindi nakain ni Daddy kasi nagdadrive siya. Sinusubuan ko naman, pero ayaw daw niyang magpakabuso, guys, kasi sasakit yung tiyan niya. Tapos nagdadrive siya. So, yung ano pala dito, guys, yung per night is yung per night dito is 40. And maganda dito. Ano talaga siya, kung parang hindi mo ma-feel na ano, nagka-camping kayo kasi doon sa yung sa may entrance, may ano sila, may convenience store na ang dami nilang, ano siya tawagan ng baligya, Daddy? Ang daming mga binibenta dun, kung mga ice cream, yung ganun. Tapos may maraming ice sila, guys. Kung alam lang namin na may ice dito, dito lang sana kami bumili daw kasi mas mahal dun sa Richmond. Eh, first time lang namin dito eh. So, wale. Next time. Kain tayo, guys. I'm hungry. Do you want some bread?
Which spread?
May
ice for a second.
This one, baby.
I'll buy ice.
No.
What's that?
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Rice,
Mahinis di ay? No, mubog naman eh. Kano sabi ni mo lutoon? Ayun, sige, open. Mga bata ay kumakain na din. Ay, umiinom pala.
Is it cold?
The water?
Ayan.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
No. It's fine. It's okay though.
Why are you guys drinking already? You haven't eaten yet.
Appetizer.
Iba pala tilang appetizer eh.
What spread did you use?
Tuna spread.
Does that taste like fish?
It's kind of sour, this one. The mayonnaise na sour.
Sour mayonnaise.
We'll try, oh.
Not good.
So, we're going sa river, guys. And, medyo ano lang siya, across lang siya sa ano namin. Hello! Duulo rin. Eh. No running, baby! No running, guys! Dun yung ano namin, yung site namin. Tapos, eto lang. Where do you... So, punta kami ng river, guys. Malapit lang, oh. Ayun na, ayun. Dito na, guys. Pwede ba kayo maligo dito, no? I think pwede lang magtampisaw, guys. Magtampisaw. Woo! Ka-nice, uy! It's cold. Okay. But I think it's cold. Jacob! Hala, malayo na si Jacob. Jacob, don't go too far.
There's tiny fishy
Where?
everywhere.
Everywhere!
Kind of hard to see.
Because they're little, so tiny.
Awesome.
Ang ganda. Pero parang malamig siya, ha?
Nice and cold.
Ayun.
Better not fall in here than float. I'm wearing shoes. That's what you're
The water is so cold. No, I can't. Malamig yung tubig.
I don't think I can go back.
Oh, you're wearing shoes, ate? Oh, then you can't get wet.
But it's messy. Yeah, it's water.
So, it's waterproof?
Look, I need help. I just
And enjoy na si Jacob. Kanina, bored na bored yan.
I wish I brought a cup.
Hey! Uy! Guys, naligid ko, guys. Tingnan nyo, ang basa. So wet.
Didn't get wet.
Look.
Because I was the one who keeps on protecting myself.
Naligid ko, uy. Now I need to change. Very slippery kasi yung rock. And then, nahulog yung camera ko. I mean, yung phone. Oh, Diaz there already. I didn't see him. And then, tapos yung camera natin, guys, nabasa. Sana okay lang to. Daddy, kailangan ko mag-change kay naligid ko. Look. Kay slippery man kayo ang kuan. Hi, Jem. Kay slippery man kayo.
Tungod sa vlog, naligid daw. Basa kayo ay.
Turn off kayo. Uy, naligid.
Oh, pagilis
Magilis ako. Nabasa yung camera natin, guys. Sana hindi na wala maguba ba. Oh. Yung sa salida bitaw sa to? Silent. Sa daddy? Quiet place. Yung may paganon-ganon. Thank you, Daddy. It's 9:25, guys, sa gabi. Dito pa rin kami sa labas. Dinner time, guys. Fried rice. No, what's it? Jacob, dinner time. Oh, hi, kids.
Please invading your camp.
That's okay. Did you eat na? Did you guys eat already?
Marshmallows.
Okay. What?
What's this?
It's just a cover for the off lotion. That one, yeah. Dito yung mga bulilit. Bulilit.
Okay. And it's something happening.
Okay.
Where's the door to your tinny?
There.
But we keep it closed because
Do not open.
there's mosquitoes.
It is full of secrets.
I remember that last time we got camping
Okay.
together. It was a Galiano Island. Oh yeah, we're going. We went crabbing. And
Did you guys
someone
pray?
catches this, I will give. Okay, so we can.
What?
Nothing happened.
Gusto namin to, guys. Nakita namin siya sa Costco. Hazelnut latte coffee bean. Coffee bean. Masarap siya. So, ano lang siya. May ice. Wow, si Daddy. It's okay lang. May ice dyan. Tapos, ilagay mo lang ganyan. May ka na. Hazelnut latte. It's really good. Gusto ko to kasi hindi ako mahilig sa mga na drink ba, yung mapait na drink. Ito hindi siya mapait. Kapusog sa ko music. Uy, wait lang. Wa na copyright na ani.
I'm gonna go bring the light.
Bye. Okay, I'll bring this.
Wait lang, bibigay. I'm using it.
Do you have another light?
So, ito.
Sure.
Si Daddy yung
Dad, can we use a lantern?
nanghingi nito, pero
The
ako
circle.
yung
The circle
unang
one I
iinom.
gave you, or was that? Yeah. The one I asked you to put. That one?
Sarap niya, guys.
Yeah, you could-
Hindi siya
you-
mapait.
You get one.
Parang ano lang, hazelnut lang.
Oh yeah, I do have a good idea.
First the battery.
Nabili
The
namin to
battery.
siya sa Costco.
Yeah.
Nakita namin to siya sa Costco. Sabi ko, itry lang natin. Ngayon,
Take a look.
it's good. Sulit.
Good idea.
So, kumain na yung mga bata, tapos si Daddy din. Tapos ako din. And then, hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin today. 10:18 ng gabi. Natutulog na pala sila, guys. Parang may curfew dito. 10 o'clock dapat, ano na. Hindi, wag nang maingay. So, i-off ko na lang to. And then, dami pang kalat dito. Hihipusin natin before tayo matulog. Kasi sabi nila, may mga, may mga, ano sa'yo tawag na rin? May mga, may mga outsiders na makakapasok dito and then baka mag-go through sila sa ating mga gamit ba. So, ano na lang natin, ilagay natin lahat ng mga gamit natin sa sasakyan. Maglalaro kami, guys. Ito, Pinoy Henyo. Si Daddy yung mauunang mag-guess. Tapos, ito yung word na ipapag-guess natin, guys. Kalang. Ayan. So, sige. You hold, don't look, ha? Sige. Si Daddy. Ayan,
Ano
guys. Sige. How many
Tao.
minutes?
Huh?
Wait lang. Do you have a timer, di ha? Not too loud, not too loud. 3 minutes.
So I have to ask you someone. Yeah.
No, me.
Okay.
You have it? Okay, ready? Start, go.
Okay, tao,
Hindi.
bagay,
Hindi.
lugar,
Hindi.
hayop.
Hindi.
Ha?
I-press. Wait.
Hindi man pwede nga na.
Ngano di man pwedeng no? Magbuot pa di siya.
Pagkain,
Oo. Ay,
breakfast.
oo ba or pwede?
Pwede.
Ay, pwede.
Breakfast. Dessert.
Pwede.
Pwede. Breakfast.
Hindi.
Hindi. Lunch.
Hindi.
Dinner.
Hindi.
Balot.
Hindi.
Isaw.
Hindi.
Barbecue.
Hindi.
Kinakain with rice.
Hindi.
Dessert.
Pwede.
Achiplan.
Hindi.
Halo-halo.
Hindi.
Hindi. Pagkaon. Sabaw.
Hindi.
Sa
Sabaw noon.
Pilipinas.
Oo. Pwede.
Pwede. French fries.
Unsay i-answer oo. Hindi.
Oo, pwede. Hindi. French fries.
Hindi.
Nasa Canada.
Hindi. Ay, pwede.
Pwede. Kasaba.
Hindi.
Sweet potato.
Hindi.
Ube.
Mukha ni Daddy, guys.
Ano saman? Putin.
Hindi.
Hindi. Food, ha?
Si Dia nakatawa eh. You
Food
know that
na.
one, Di, ha?
Nasa Pilipinas.
Oo.
English.
Hindi.
Tagalog.
Oo.
Tagalog.
Oo. How many more
Halo-halo.
minutes lang ga?
Kasaba.
Pwede.
One more minute.
Hello.
Ay, saging.
Yes, how many minutes lang ga?
Saging.
One.
Daddy got it. 1 minute 54 seconds. Good job. Ako na pud ko nun niya. Ako ipasuwat pun sa akong itag
Asa
ano.
man ni isuwat? Asa ko ni isuwat?
Ako lang nang gikuan.
Yun sa nini mo.
Ako lang gi suwat-suwat.
Asa ko suwat?
Wait. Nakaka-pressure. Kailangan natin i-beat si Daddy, guys. Ayaw na lang lisod, Daddy. Uy, gabi ba si lisod? Sige na ako. Pamalisod yan. Yung easy
Screenshot?
lang. Hindi na i-screenshot.
Okay,
Wait. Okay, ikaw ani kay makita na ko.
Si go.
Pagkain.
Oo.
Breakfast?
Pwede.
Lunch?
Pwede.
Dinner?
Pwede.
May sabaw?
Hindi.
Ulam?
Oo.
Baboy?
Pwede.
Chicken?
Hindi.
English?
Hindi.
Tagalog?
Oo.
Sinigang?
Uy, nawala. Hindi.
Unsa man, uy? Filipino food?
Oo. Jake.
Kinakain sa umaga?
Pwede.
Unsa man, uy? Ulam?
Oo.
Tagalog?
Oo.
May sabaw?
Hindi.
Dried? Fried?
Pwede.
Unsa pwede? Menudo?
Hindi.
Kinakain ko?
Oo.
Paborito ko?
Pwede. Di
Bar-
ka.
barbecue?
Nawala, di ka. Pwede.
Ganun, unsa man dadi ka lisod ba hindi
Barbecue, hindi. Hindi barbecue.
Fried chicken?
Hindi.
Hotdog?
Hindi.
Tocino?
Hindi.
Baboy?
Oo.
Adobo?
Hindi.
May sabaw?
Hindi.
Unsa man ni? Fried?
Pwede.
Anong pwede yun sa di ay?
Nawala na di ha.
Sa dati?
Nawala di ha.
Baboy? Fried? Naigamay nga sabaw?
Oo.
Kilala ko to. Alam
Oo.
ko to.
Oo.
Kinakain ko.
Oo.
Kailan ko huling kinain?
Pwede.
Unsa man? Filipino food.
Oo.
Mostly kinakain doon sa Philippines.
Oo.
Unsay clue?
Hindi.
Diha, do you know this one?
No. Oh, by the way, there's only 30 seconds.
Hello!
Oh.
47, 26, 25,
Gaya eh. Baboy gani.
22,
Baboy.
Panganlit.
21,
Pangalan mo lahat ng
Ginabot.
baboy.
Ginabot.
Hindi.
18, 17,
Hulo, makakuan man oy brain fog.
14,
Brain fog.
13,
Unsa ni
11,
dadi?
10, 9,
9, 8.
8,
Anong
6
baboy?
seconds.
5.
6, 5,
Baboy.
4,
Sisling.
3, 2,
Sisling
1.
pork.
Na!
Sisling
Ay, nigyan na.
baboy.
Time out.
Na! Anong sisling what?
Sisling pork.
Ano pa?
Sisling baboy.
No.
Ano
Oh,
ba
anong
baboy?
baboy? Iya, ano pa?
Sisling
Kung sa pagkaluto?
sisling pork.
Hindi nga.
Sisling?
Oh, baboy.
Pwede din i-breakfast.
Oo. Sisig with egg. Sisilog.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's Diha's turn.
What in the world?
Diha, come here.
No anything.
Make it English, Adia knows.
Make it English. Hindi namin na.
What, Jacob?
May ganun.
Okay, your turn, Jacob. Start.
Okay, ito kay Jacob,
You
guys.
have to ask, like,
Okay.
is it food? Is it
Yeah.
insect? Like,
You have to ask. Okay, you hold
you
it.
have to try guessing.
You hold it sa imuhang koan forehead. Okay.
Oh, wait. Okay, sorry.
Si Jacob.
3. Okay, 3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Is it a...
You have to ask mommy.
Okay, is it an animal?
No.
Is it food?
Yes.
Oh, like, is it dinner?
Yes.
Oh, no. No, no. Oh, shoot. Oh, is it fried rice?
No.
No. No, that's the only thing I know. Oh, no. I'm dead. No.
Oh, don't look at it. What is that, Jake? Keep going, Jake. Your timer.
I don't know anything.
Yeah, just keep going. The food
Egg. Oh my gosh.
that you know.
Should we give him a
No, no,
That's it, I'm going gobble. Is it miso soup?
no,
Sushi.
no.
Sushi.
Okay, fine.
Sushi.
Oh, you.
Is it burger?
Of course.
No,
you-
daddy. No, lang, daddy. No,
Burger?
no,
Fries?
no.
It's not drink. Oh, is it like popcorn chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah, for
You
chicken.
only had 11 seconds.
Okay.
Nope.
He has turn. Okay.
I just want like this.
Wait. Oh, look. Misudo mo na. Ano? Uy, unsa mo na. Look. Oh, daddy. Si daddy lang ka kay. Di ko kay ba mo describe ana. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Is it food?
No.
Is it historical?
Yes.
Is it a person?
Yes.
Is he English?
Yes.
Is he a crusader?
Pwede.
It can be.
Is it Richard the Lionheart?
No.
Wait, is he a knight?
No.
Oh wait, no, I forgot to ask. Is it medieval person?
No.
Is it Napoleonic Wars?
Pwede, pwede.
Yeah. Yes.
Is it Napoleon?
Good job! Oh, Diha. Where is that?
Did
Napoleon. Diha guessed it. Wow. Good job, Diha. Ako naman ubang ko ano, failed. This Diha, 49 seconds. Grabe
Wow,
Diha,
Diha,
espasa. Yeah. We need to put all the stuff in the car, guys, kasi nga outsiders na pupunta dito. Last night daw, yung may camp dyan, nawalan sila ng isang cooler na malaki. So, sinabihan kami na just put all your stuff in the car para walang mawala sa atin. Kaya ayan, ligpit si daddy, guys. Yung suka daddy din. Suka na lang yung nahibilin. Grabe, kung mawala ni grabe na judoy.
Yeah.
Right? Makaan naman sila, wine?
Iiwan natin dito para malaman natin kung may kumukuha ba talaga.
Ayoko, ako ba ng favorite na suka? Mawala na. Kida. Ayan. Lahat na sa car, oh. Ito nga sana hindi na lang ito inano ni daddy, nilabas kasi baka kanang dayungan bitaw. Feel ako daddy, hadlok lagi ko daddy. Mawala ni daddy. Dayan. Unsa na day? Dayan. Ha? Natog na imong kuan tolo? Lagi? Natog na sila?
Gitago ninyo yung niyan. Nakani, ngani. Inyo pang gidismantle.
Di kayo ni dayungan day? Si dayungan. Nada homeless na camp dun, guys, sa Myrtle. Yeah. Hipos lagi? Haligri? Oh, naasad siya. Yeah. So anyway, guys, 10:38 now. And I think punta na kami sa sa tent namin kasi medyo na. So, medyo gabi na. So, that's it, guys. Magpahinga na muna kami kasi bukas is another day and we don't know kung anong gagawin namin bukas. So, rest day because it's been a long day and thank you so much for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. God bless you.